बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आज की इस वीडियो में हम ऐसे वॉकिंग ऑन द मून के MCQs को अटैम्प्ट करने जा रहे हैं। लेट्स बिगिन। द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज़ वॉकिंग ऑन द मून इज़ एन essay बाय W.B. Yeats, डेविड स्कॉट, बर्टन रसल और प्रोज, एंड द राइट ऑप्शन इज़ David Scott. This essay, Walking on the Moon, has been written by David Scott. The next question is David Randolph Scott was born in 1932, 1930, 1933, 1934. And the right answer is 1932. The writer of this essay was born in 1932. The next question is in dash America planned a manned expedition to the moon. 1968, 1970, 1973, 1971. And the right option is 1971. The next question is they were in the Apollo dash mission to the moon. And the options are 17, 19, 15 or 14. And the right option is 15. They were in Apollo 15 mission to the moon. The next question comes here. They landed at a place that was surrounded by many trees, mountains, rivers, hills. They landed at a place that was surrounded by many mountains. And the right option is mountains. The next question is to their south stood a high ridge of almost dash feet. And the options are 10,000, 12,000, 11,000 or 13,000. And the right option is 11,000. Next question comes here. The gravity on the moon is dash times less than that of Earth gravity. 5 times less than, 6 times less than, 7 times less than, or 3 times less than. And the right option is 6 times less than the gravity of the Earth. The next option is the writer has used many feelings, observations, comparisons, instruments. And the right option is comparisons. The writer has used many comparisons in order to compare different things on the surface of the moon and the earth. And the next question is at the end of their stay, the writer experienced a sense of anxiety, loss, burden, or joy. At the end of their stay, the writer experienced a sense of loss. And the last one is the whole atmosphere was strange and black, new, unknown, or joyful. And the right option is unknown. The whole atmosphere on the surface of the moon was unknown. Students, ये थे हमारे ऐसे वॉकिंग ऑन द मून के MCQs. उम्मीद करता हूँ आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आई होगी. अगर वीडियो पसंद आई है तो इस वीडियो को दूसरे BA के स्टूडेंट्स के साथ ज़रूर शेयर कीजिए ताकि वो इस वीडियो से फ़ायदा हासिल कर सकें. इंशाल्लाह मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. तब तक अपना ख्याल रखिएगा. अल्लाह हाफिज़. टेक केयर.